Welcome back to our class. Hope you all are completing your homeworks day by day and also watching the videos. So here today open your English textbooks and open the page number 86. EIGHTY 80 SIX 6 86. So we are in the lesson on the road. What is our lesson name? On the road. So Ammu's family is on the road. Why they are on the road? Because they are going to the zoo, isn't it? Yes. So in our previous classes, we have finished about going to the zoo, right? Who are going to the zoo? Total Ammu's family is going to the zoo, isn't it? Yes. So we have finished a few question answers also, right? Yes. What are those question answers? See, where is Ammu's family going? Where is Ammu's family going? Ammu's family is going to the zoo. Yes, yes. Ammu's family is going to the zoo. Zoo in the sense we all know where we can find different kinds of animals and birds, right? Yes. Who is Chintu? Who is Chintu here? Chintu is Ammu's younger brother. Younger brother means small brother. Okay. Yes. Who is packing lunch? Who is packing lunch here? See, who is packing lunch here? Ammu's mother is packing lunch, isn't it? Yes. So we have finished these three question answers, right? So in this, going to the zoo, they are getting ready, right? All the family members are getting ready, isn't it? And Ammu is helping in bit 2 getting ready, and then father is helping younger brother Chintu in getting ready, isn't it? Yes. Then here in this, they are all got ready. They got ready, and then Ammu's father is waiting outside for all the family members, and Ammu's mother is packing the lunch box. Yes, yes, they are ready to go to the zoo here. Then where are we going? Here Betu is asking Ammu that where we are going, and Ammu replying as we are going to the zoo. Yes, yes. So here father is locking the door. We all lock our doors when we go outside, because if we won't lock the door, there might be the robbery. There might be chance to have to that robbery, right? Robbery in this is dongatanam. Okay, yes. Thieves comes in and they stole all our important things, gold and all. Yes. So if you go outside, you have to lock your house and you have to step out. So now coming to today's topic, it is on the road. So they locked the door, they locked their house, and they all Ammu's family are all outside of the house. Then see, Ammu's family waits outside their house. An auto comes. Okay, so here they are waiting outside their house. Then what happens there? An auto comes. Now what happens if we go outside to any place? We all wait on the road to get an auto, right? Isn't it? Yes, we have bus stands, auto stands in our villages. Yes, people might go in bus and also in an auto. It's our wish. Yes, so here Ammu's family is on the road and waiting for an auto. Not waiting, but they are outside the door, outside their house. So an auto comes there. See, we can see an auto, a driver, and whole family of Ammu, father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, and then Chintu, Bittu, and Ammu. So here Ammu's mother is holding a bag of lunch, and also the father, right? Because they are having lunch also there, isn't it? Yes. See now. Father. Now father is telling, will you come to the zoo? So father is asking auto's driver that will he come to the zoo? Then driver said, yes sir. So we all ask drivers, right? Drivers of auto or a bus, where we are going, whether they are coming to that place or not. We have come out. If we want to go to zoo, we call, are you coming to zoo, or will you come to zoo? If they say yes, they say yes. If not, no. Then this auto goes and the other auto comes and we ask that other auto. So here Ammu's father is asking this auto driver, that will he come to the zoo? Then auto driver replied, yes sir. Then father, can you get us another auto? So again father is asking, okay, you are coming to zoo, okay, but will you bring some other auto for us? Okay, can you bring some other auto for us? Inkok auto ma kosam testava. Driver said, yes, my friend's auto is just behind me. So what he's saying, yes, I'll bring some other auto, my friend's auto. Means the auto driver's friend has another auto, he'll bring then another auto. Then father said, okay, let's go. So father said, okay, let's go. First, all Ammu's family members are outside the house, and then an auto comes. Then Ammu's father asks the auto driver that will he go to the zoo. Then auto driver said yes. Then Ammu's father is asking, can you find me one more auto? Then auto driver replied, yes sir, my friend's auto is near me, behind in the sense back of me. Okay. Then my father replied, okay, let's go. Now, why did father ask for another auto? Already there's an auto, right? Then why did he ask another auto? Rendu auto enduku adigindu? Because there how many members are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 members are there. 5 members can't sit in one auto. Isn't it? As it is small, and you should not exceed numbers. Okay. You have to sit back, 3 are enough. Front you should not sit. That's the rule actually. But in our villages we can see 10, 12 members sit in the auto. So it's not a good thing. Why? What happens if you all sit in the auto? The driver might lose his control and accident might occur. Okay. So minimum numbers you have to go. Okay, three itself. Up here we don't have any seat. Here only down seat we have, and front you should not sit. So here 3 members in one and other 2 should be in other. Okay. In that way you have to sit. Got my point? So only 3 to 4 people should sit in a small auto. As auto is small here, only you have to sit 2 to 3 people, 3 to 4 people. That's why father asked for another auto. Okay. Yes. Next, why is it important to follow safety rules? It is a safety rule, right? If there are no more number of people, the auto can go safely. The auto can run safely, right? If there are 10 members in a small auto, how can that auto driver drives the auto? Isn't it? It becomes hard to him, right? Difficult to run the auto. Okay, that's why you have to sit 3 to 4 people in one auto. So here Ammu's father asked for another auto because there are 5 members. Okay. Yes. Why is it important to follow safety rules? Why? It is important to follow safety rules, right? Manam safety rules we know. Safety rules. Seat belt వేసుకోవాలి. While driving you should not talk on phone. Isn't it? These are all safety rules. You have to wear seat belt when you sit in the car. Yes, you have to go on the left side of the road itself. They're all safety rules. We call them all safety rules. So it's very important to follow safety rules. If we follow safety rules itself, we reach our places safely. If we don't follow that safety rules, we don't. Then accident might occur. Okay. Safety rules follow అయితే మనకు యాక్సిడెంట్లు కావు. యాక్సిడెంట్లు ఎందుకు అవుతాయి? బికాస్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ద రూల్స్. హెల్మెట్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు కీప్, బట్ నో వన్ wears it. It's a safety rule, right? Wearing helmet on a bike. Yes, so here that's very important to follow safety rules because accidents doesn't happen if you follow safety rules. If you don't follow safety rules, there might be chance of accidents. Okay. Yes, now you see sing and dance. So here 87, page number 87, it's sing and dance. Here you see, we are in QRST letters, right? Yes, you see, will you show me where Q is? Q is there in Queen and Quill. So here, yes, who is this? Bittu is singing this, right? Will you show me where Q is? Where is Q? Q is in Queen in the sense the wife of king and queen, right? Raju Rani kada. Raju is king, Rani is queen. So here we can see Q here, and then Quill and Quill. Quill in the sense Ika, feather. Okay, rekka. Okay, we call Quill as Ika, not Ega, it's Ika. So see, I'll sing one line, then after me you have to sing. Okay. Yes, tell me, sing with me. Will you show me where Q is? Will you show me where Q is? Q is there in Queen and Quill. Q is there in Queen and Quill. Will you show me where Q is? Will you show me where Q is? Q is there in Queen and Quill. Next, it is letter R. We are talking about R. What is there? Will you show me where R is? R is there in rat and ring. So here rat, we all know Eluka, rat, right? R-A-T, rat, Eluka. Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. So this is the ring, right? Which we wear on our fingers. Yes, that is ring. Rat, we all know it's Eluka. Mouse, some other name, right? Now I'll sing this line. Now you have to sing after me, okay? Yes. Will you show me where R is? Will you show me where R is? R is there in rat and ring. R is there in rat and ring. Rat, R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Yes? Q-R. Now yes, it's yes. Will you show me where S is? S is there in snake and snail. So here is snake. We all know snake, right? Samp. Pamu. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Then snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. What is snail? Snail in this is natta. Natta. You know natta? Melliga pakukuntu potadu judu. That's natta. Here you have pictures of it. See, this is snail. We'll see it in the next. After finishing it, we'll go into that paper, okay? Yes, see. I'll sing, then you sing after me. Will you show me where S is? Will you show me where S is? S is there in snake and snail. S is there in snake and snail. Okay? Yes, we have finished Q, R, S, and now it's T. See, will you show me where T is? T is there in tap and top. Oh, so here tap, T-A-P, tap. We all know tap. What is tap? From which we get water. It's a tap, nalla. Right? Yes, then top. What is top? T-O-P, top. It is not top and bottom. Top in the sense that bongram. Here we have top. Here. Isn't it? Yes. So here T is there in tap and top. Now I'll sing this. You have to sing after me. Okay? Yes. Will you show me where T is? Will you show me where T is? T is there in tap and top. T is there in tap and top. Okay? Yes, once again we'll sing all this and then we'll go to the next page. Will you show me where Q is? Will you show me where Q is? Q is there in Queen and Quill. Q is there in Queen and Quill. This is small q and this is small. This is a capital Q and this is small q. Right? Yes. Next. Will you show me where R is? Will you show me where R is? R is there in rat and ring. R is there in rat and ring. Small capital R, small r. Yes? Yes. Next. Will you show me where S is? Will you show me where S is? S is there in snake and snail. S is there in snake and snail. This is capital S, this is small s. Next. Will you show me where T is? Will you show me where T is? T is there in tap and top. T is there in tap and top. It is capital T and it is small t. Yes? Yes, we have seen Q, R, S, T. Now turn the page. It's 88, 88, 88. Okay? E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. E-I-G-H-T, 8, 88. Read and copy. So here we have Q, R, S, T. Small q and capital R and capital R and small r, capital S and small s, capital T and small t, isn't it? Yes. So here capital Q. What you have to write? You have to write here capital Q. Oh, okay. It's capital Q. I'll sharp it and I'll come back. Wait. So capital Q, small q, capital Q, small q. What is it? Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Tell after me. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Then Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. Queen and quill. Next, capital R. Capital R, small r. Yes? Yes. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Yes? Next. Capital S, small s. Yes. S-N-A-K-E, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. S-N-A-I-L, snail. It is natta. Natta. This is natta. This is pamu. Okay. Yes. S-N-A-I-L, snail. Snake and snail. Next, you have to write capital T and small t. T-A-P, tap. Nalla. T-A-P, tap. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. It is a play toy. Toy. You play with it, right? Yes. Tap and top. Tap and top. Okay? Yes. Small capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Okay? Yes, this is queen. Quill. Queen, quill. Rat, ring. Rat, ring. Rat and ring. Snake, snail. Snake, snail. Snake and snail. Tap, top. Tap, top. Tap and top. Okay? Yes, so by this we have finished things I used. Unit 5, things I use. Yes, here unit 6 we have at the zoo. Unit 6 what we have? We have at the zoo. Now the Amos family is all going to zoo, right? So in our next lesson we will know about the zoo. Wow, here we have zoo. Okay? See, we have zoo and also all animals. Wow. So we will see about that zoo in the next class. Okay? Yeah. So till here we have finished things I use, and write it. Okay? This capital letter, small letter, all you write it. Then you will get a homework about these words. Write those homework. Write that homework and then send it. Write that homework. Okay? And watch the videos. Yes. Yes, so we'll meet in the next class.